What's good, people?
What's good? What's good? What's good?
Your boy Ramon here.
I am Tawan.
We talking about the Prio VR. Prio. How do you pronounce Prio?
Prio VR, virtual reality, obviously.
Yeah.
Motion suit. That's not quite a suit, but it's.
This looks silly to me. Let me just say, this looks really silly to me.
Yeah, it's all right.
I don't understand why we're still pursuing these things in life.
Did they not see the failure in Nintendo's virtual reality glasses?
The Virtual Boy.
Virtual Boy.
So this thing is it's a combination of sensors that you strap on
To your joints.
Yeah, your joints.
Your knees, your elbows, your wrist, the middle of your body, which is actually not a joint, but it has to see something, I'm sure.
And they're rather accurate, actually. Well, really accurate.
Yeah, no, I mean, there's no reason for them not to be, because sensors nowadays, they're pretty intuitive, and they know. Like, if it's a sensor for your hand or your wrist, it's pretty accurate. It would probably be a little more accurate than the Kinects.
Oh yeah, way more accurate, I think, because it's actually on you.
Yeah,
the Kinect gets its accuracy from the camera,
right,
which is impressive. But no, this is also impressive. So they're on Kickstarter,
right?
Their pledge goal is about $225,000.
From who?
Well, that's what Kickstarter is. People who like it, the initiative, they invest, they buy into it. So they're about halfway there. The targeted price is $300 for the upper body suit, and the entire with the feet and all that. That's $400. So it's very affordable.
If you pledge $400, will you get a suit?
Yeah. No. So the way Kickstarter works is people pledge different tiers, and people pretty much invest in a product, and then when they all get it together, the people who invested get the profit, or they're like bought into the company. I guess it depends on how they set it up. But for me and you to buy it, outside of Kickstarter now, for me and you to buy it, it'll cost us $300 to $400.
Okay.
Whatever one you want. Now, again, this thing's silly. Like I seen the tech demos. The guy was shooting zombies coming up behind his back. Yeah. Like, it was impressively accurate, yes, but it's one of those things where, what's the use case for this? Like, what?
You know what the problem that I have with this type of what would you call it, peripheral?
Okay.
Is it's not like I can't cut on Battlefield, Call of Duty, whatever, and play and use this device. Devices like this usually come specific with games. Shooting games came specific with like you remember the bazooka from Super NES?
Yeah.
It came specific with a game.
Okay.
All right. But it was maybe 2 games. Failed.
Yeah.
The gun from the Nintendo,
Duck Hunt,
came with maybe like 10 games. It was a fail. So now you have virtual whatever. See, oh God, Kinects works a little differently, because see, it's more integrated now into need Kinects to use your
right, and that was the bet, Mike. That's why they made it standard on all of them.
Exactly.
It's a two-way street. Here's this dope technology, but no one will use it unless you force them to use it.
So what did Microsoft do?
Yeah, they forced
you to use it.
And now there's this.
Now is this.
Which is dope.
It's dope, but it's not...
For what?
who's going to put each and every piece on,
Right.
and then cut the game on?
So, I don't think this is for games, although, yes, that's what it defaults to. But I see this in like military simulations and whatnot.
I think
it has a use case in that field. But we shouldn't be able to buy this for $300-$400. Yeah, like
right. The police academy. Part of the range is they actually have this gun. Mm-hmm. It's made from an actual what do you call it? Smith and Wesson. Mm-hmm. You can rack it. You can drop a clip. Push the button. Drop a clip. Put it in. Reload. Simulation. All simulation, and proceed to do whatever. Now this for that
would be dope. And you gotta couple the VR screen.
Oh God!
Right. So
the virtual boy.
Right. I feel like in a really well executed environment.
Right.
You remember playing darts, the laser darts, where you had the laser gun and everyone had the
laser tag.
Yeah, the laser thing on your chest.
Yeah.
This could be a very useful version of that, where you put your squad, your military personnel, whatever, you put them in a room. They got their virtual things. They can see the walls in real time, but the virtual screen can display a threat.
It's like a heads up,
right? And there's use cases, but that's like far off. I don't know, depending on how far. I'm sure it's not far off, relatively speaking. But again, I look at this and what they're trying to sell you to do it for. Like, no, not now. And it looks even more silly because now I think gamers are becoming burnt out of first-person shooters.
Yeah.
So everyone's looking for the next big thing in first-person shooters. So when you hear about this, you get the buzz. You're like, word, how much is it? Word. And then you see it, you're like, I don't know about that.
Not quite.
Yeah, you give me my goddamn cigar. You're close, but you ain't getting my cigar. But I mean, for $400, if you've got the room, why not? They just need to give you a better application to use.
All right.
Work a little hard and get it to work with Call of Duty or Battlefield or something.
Fitness. This could work well for fitness.
The accuracy is not needed for fitness. Kinect works well for fitness.
Kinect works excellent.
This type of insane accuracy has no It could work for fitness, but for $400, no. So I don't know what you tell me.
It would be it's less than buying a full-fledged elliptical, and a full-fledged elliptical is like over $1,000.
Yeah, but the elliptical moves, you got to get up the steps. You can't simulate the steps on this.
Why not? You can't simulate the resistance, but you can simulate the steps.
I don't know, man. I think this thing's silly overall. It's dope technology, but
not quite for our time.
Yeah, it ain't ready yet. Anyway,
let us know.
Yeah.
You think this Prio VR motion suit is worth your hard-earned money?
How much is a parachute? Can I get a parachute for $400?
No.
No?
A parachute probably costs you around $600.
What the hell?
Son, you know how much a parachute costs? You want the best parachute. You want that to deploy.
Yeah. I would rather buy a parachute than this.
If it does not deploy, sir, kiss everything goodbye. That's why I don't skydive, because if the parachute does not deploy, we got problems.
It'd be a hell of a... That's the lifestyle video.
Yeah. I'll definitely go out with a bang.
Well, it's your boy Ramon.
I'm Tawan.
And we out of here.
Peace.